Hey, this is Mika. I am in traffic. I decided to record a quick video just to follow up from yesterday to show y'all that I am traveling with my omelet bites. And I wanted y'all to see how conventional these are. Listen, traffic is moving. Look, this is hot. This just, you can still see the smoke. It came out the oven right before I left. I got a little bit of that cheese right there, that cheese and that bacon and that spinach together. That combination is phenomenal. But look, I'm on my morning commute. I'm eating a good, healthy, hearty breakfast. I don't have to worry about stopping at a fast food place because you know those breakfasts really aren't delicious. They're not delicious, but we just get them for convenience. The good thing about these, the good thing is you can make these at night. Make them at night. Put them in your little container. Warming up right before you hit the road. So you don't have to stop and get that unhealthy fast food. Now, this is just my follow-up. I got to keep my eyes on the road. But I did want to come through and let y'all know that I actually make these and I eat these as I'm rolling to work. Let me go and give me another one. That's fat. These are delicious. All right, I got to go.